Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can blend images using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to prepare your design on Canva. And then we're going to use one of the Canva apps to blend images. Go to the apps menu and then you're going to search blend image or image blender. And I would like to recommend you to choose this one guys. Okay, and then you need to add two images. You can choose file here, and I'm just going to pick a random photo from my device. Okay, this is for the bottom layer, and then we need to choose the top layer. Wait, I'm still looking for the image. I'm going to choose this one. Okay, and then you can choose the blend mode. You can select darken or multiply or the color burn. That's up to you. And I'm going to choose screen, and then we can click on add to design, and the image will be automatically added to our design, and this is the result. Okay guys, and that's how you can blend images using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.